Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing yoga to cultivate inner peace and also strengthen the mind-body connection. I challenge you to do this with me, allowing you to be more conscious of the present moment, therefore allowing you to really strengthen the connection with your inner being, enabling you to release and let go of stress, tension, and surrender to the exact moment, allowing you to feel a state of bliss and pure and utter peace within the whole entire body, mind, and soul. So jumping straight into it, the first pose is stretching all the way out into puppy pose. We are now just going to take deep, mindful, conscious breaths as we raise our arms all the way up and hold that breath at the top. And then as you lower your palms to your heart, exhale. We are now going to stretch out our hips and our legs one at a time. So just get into this position and then see if you can bind, connecting your index finger with your thumb, connect it around your wrist. This is really great for opening up the shoulders, releasing tension within the chest and the shoulders. If you can't, don't worry. Really feel the deep stretch in your hip and you can point your toes. Now the other leg, breathing deeply into the hips. It's really important to open up the hips, releasing the psoas muscle where a lot of our tension and stress unconsciously gets held within the body. So just release it and really focus on letting it go with each exhale. Now coming to a seated position, we're just going to stretch the side of our body, really opening up the intercostal muscles. Exhale, opening up the body even deeper into the stretch. Go as deep as you can go. And just feel all the healing abundance of oxygen, literally healing your entire being, each and every cell. Ensure to keep your sit bones grounded, and then as we raise our arms all the way up, take a massive deep inhale, hands to heart. And now if you can do this, if you can't, please don't worry. This is Lotus Pose. We're just going to pose and just cultivate that peace, that inner peace that's within you. All you need is to silence the mind and you'll find that that inner being, the inner stillness is deep within you and it's always there. And eagle arms, if you can, opening deeply into the shoulders, and then as you inhale, raise all the way back, opening up the heart space even more. And then as you come forward, exhale. And just think for a second, you guys, think about how powerful your heart is. Literally, it's pumping blood all the way from your head to your toes. Literally, you are a living, walking miracle. Take a moment to just show immense gratitude towards your heart. Literally, without your heart, you wouldn't even be alive right this second. So take a moment and say thank you. Thank you for my heart. We are now just into another heart opening pose. It's also really amazing at opening up the third eye as you place your head all the way back and allowing oxygen and blood flow to your third eye chakra. And breathe. Take a moment just to breathe consciously in this position. Now we're coming to upward facing plank. Exhale and then inhale, pushing all the way up. Now we're going to come into another deep stretch for our legs, which is Pigeon Pose. helping to relax you and relieve anxiety. Just exhale as you surrender all the way down to the earth. Opening up deeply for the shoulders and the chest and the heart. Just breathe, inhale, exhale, let it go, and then come up slowly. Now let's switch leg. Exhale, let go, and surrender to this exact moment and know that you are exactly where you need to be. Now let's come up slowly, and we are just going to stack our shins. And if you can't do this, don't worry. If your knee comes up, that's perfectly fine. By stacking the shins like this, and if it feels comfortable, you can try to push your knee down even deeper. You'll feel a deep release of tension. But please, if you feel pain, do not do this. Do not force. Always listen to your body. And you'll feel it like relieving and releasing tension in the joints. Now switch legs. A moment to feel mindful and just breathe, focusing all your energy on the present moment. You can even feel immense gratitude for your legs as they support you and carry you through life. Now, if it's within your practice, we are just going to flip one of our legs over like so. If you're not here yet, don't worry, be patient and show yourself patience, kindness. You can also connect your hands and feet together like so to even deeper your connection, and close your eyes and just breathe. Feel the inhale deeply in through the nose, exhale deeply through the nose, let it all go. Feel the breath, the new energy lifting you up, revitalizing each and every single cell within your body. Now switching to the opposite leg, connecting your hands, clasp them into your into your toes, and just feel at one with yourself, totally peaceful, at one with the universe, at one with everything and everyone. And if you feel thoughts coming up, that's perfectly okay. Just take a minute to observe and become the watcher and say to yourself, I wonder what I will think of next. And as you do this, you become so conscious and you literally become, like I said, the watcher, the observer of the thoughts. And just whatever comes up, just accept it for what it is and let it go. Don't feed your thoughts. Just watch them as they come and they drift away. Just gonna roll all the way back into a little ball, rolling ourselves forward into like almost a boat position, and then roll all the way back, and then just like swish your legs side to side, roll out those legs, releasing and letting go any tension and cooling down all the muscles. Just create circles with your knees. And now we are going to come into our Savasana as you diamond your legs and place your arms folded above your head if it feels comfortable for you. And just breathe, you guys. With each inhale, allow your stomach to inflate with air, and with each exhale, allow your navel to suck back in and contract all your organs back in, showing yourself some love, gratitude for your practice. You've done an amazing job. And take time to really pay attention to how you feel. and really understand that this present moment, this exact moment, is truly all there is and all you have. And how do you feel within this exact moment? Just taking a moment to feel that inner peace and the divinity that you've cultivated within yourself. Embracing it fully and breathe. Inhale deeply, exhale and surrender and let go to this exact moment. Inhale love, peace, acceptance, and joy. And exhale love. And remember, you are the most powerful vibration in the whole entire universe because you are love. Keep focusing on your breath and the stillness within you. And you can also focus on the pauses and the stillness in between each breath. If you have time, you can stay in this position for as long as you can. Make the most of it. Enjoy just being. If not, you can get up slowly. Coming into seated position, we are now just going to take a few deep inhales as we raise our arms all the way up. Hands to heart. Thank your heart for this peace. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope this helped you to feel at peace and at one. From my heart to your heart, thank you so much. And also, I just wanted to include this little headstand, as the benefits of headstands are absolutely phenomenal. They can clear your vision, they allow more energy flow to your brain, allowing you to think faster and be sharper and basically be like the best version of yourself. Energy flows where energy goes. It allows increased blood flow and oxygen to your head, which is totally amazing as it's like your highest self. And these poses, I know guys, can feel really intimidating to start off with, but I'm going to show you what can help strengthen your body and how to get into it. Practicing this, it helps you to build strength and it will enable you to basically support yourself whilst balancing on your head. So it's basically like a dolphin, and then you push to plank and then you raise back up. The benefits of headstands are absolutely incredible. I cannot swear by them enough. You will feel it yourself. You'll feel energized and basically like the best version of yourself. Make this into your playtime, guys. Have fun with it because it is fun. Anyways, guys, peace, love, and light. Mwah.